how to create an autoresponder for a specific time period in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to set a specific time period for an autoresponder to function. Click the autoresponders icon. You can set a time period by editing an existing autoresponder or while creating a new one. Let's edit an existing one. Click Edit. Click the Custom option next to Start. Then select a date and time for your autoresponder to start working. Click Custom by Stop and choose a date and time for it to stop working. When finished, click Create Modify. That's it! The custom time period for this autoresponder has been set up. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set a specific time period for an autoresponder to function.